Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Toptal affiliate account access, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Toptal website. Locate the login section on the home page. Click on the login button. Enter your email address associated with your Toptal affiliate account. Input your password in the designated field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, access the affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available options. To generate your affiliate links, navigate to the Links section. Choose the type of link you wish to create. Copy the generated link for your use. To check your earnings, visit the Reports section. Review your performance metrics and commission breakdown. If you encounter any issues, look for the support option. Reach out to Toptal's support team for further assistance. Ensure your account settings are up to date for optimal performance. After completing these steps, you're fully set up to promote the Toptal affiliate program. Good luck with your affiliate journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.